Hey guys, my name is Marco from the website Kryptokenner.de, and in this unboxing video I would like to introduce you to the Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X can be ordered directly from the Ledger's websites for about 150 euros. The package usually arrives within a few days and can also be returned for free. It is very important to buy the Ledger only through the Ledger's own store and to check the plastic wrap package well for intactness. A manipulated device can still be really expensive for you, but more about that in a review video. The package includes a Ledger Nano X, a USB-C cable for connecting and charging the battery, a recovery sheet and instructions. Weighing 34 grams, the Ledger is about the size of my finger, making it larger and heavier than the Ledger Nano S. The brushed stainless steel and plastic case feels very premium. The design is pretty typical for Ledger, which you can find on other products from Ledger as well. The large OLED display is protected with an extra plastic cover and feels pretty large. The two buttons on the Ledger Nano X are well placed and very clicky in my opinion. Besides that, there are all sorts of instruction guides and the familiar recovery sheets. These are quite helpful to not lose the coins when the device is lost, as they can then be restored to a new Ledger device. The USB-C cable is relatively short, but has a good finish. If in doubt, you have a USB cable lying around your house somewhere anyway. So much for the unboxing video of the Ledger Nano X. The first impression is high quality and positive. I'm very curious to see how the hardware wallet performs in a detailed review. If you want to know how the software of the Ledger Nano X works and if the high price is justified compared to other models like the Ledger Nano S or the Bitbox 2, then you should subscribe to this channel. As soon as the video is live, you will find the link to the video in the video description.